Hello, like I said yesterday, we're looking at subtraction columns now, not taking away the columns, we're using subtraction columns. So let's have a look. So it's quite similar to yesterday's lesson, quite a lot of revision today. Okay, it's good to keep going over and over and over things, and in fact this is stuff that we learned so much earlier in the year, isn't it? So subtracting using columns. Here we can see we've got our abacus back. Okay, this is called an abacus. Okay, so we've set out the problem like this, and we need to use the abacus to take away the numbers. 6 take away 4 is 2. 4? Wow, what is my brain at? 6 take away 4 is 2. 9 take away 2 is 7. So nice and easy. We've taken away the 1s, then we've taken away the 10s. 96 minus 24 is 72. Okay, so let's have a go ourselves. 5 take away 4 is 1. 8 take away 3 is 5. So we've got 51. I'm going to do 3. Oh, I'll do them all because there's a harder one at the end. 9 take away 1 is 8. So we've got 8 ones. 9 take away 3 is 6. So we've got 6 tens, 68. 7 take away 4 is 3. So we've got 3 ones. 8 take away 4 is 4. So we've got 4 tens, 43. 5 take away 4 is 1. 7 take away 4 is 3. So we've got 31. Here we've got 7 take away 3 is 4. We've got 4 ones. 5 take away 2 is 3 tens. And then we're doing 1 take away, effectively 0. 1 take away 0 is still 1. So we still got our 100 there. Let's see if I got them right. I did them very fast, but that shows that mental addition is really important, because even to do a written equation, you need to have that quick mental recall of your number ones. What's 62 take away 18? So here, obviously, we know that we can't do 2 take away 8, so we're going to have to exchange a 10 and change it to 10 ones. You can see that all the 10 ones going on there. So now we've got 12 take away 8. Remember, they've crossed out that 10. We can see that we've only got 5 tens here because one of the points had to go off. So we've got 5 and we've changed it to 12. 12 take away 8 is 4. 5 take away 10. Or 50 take away 10. Sorry, not 5 take away 10. 50 take away 10 is 4. The answer is 44. So 2 take away 6. 2 take away 6 we can't do. We can't do 2 take away 6. We need to use one of our 10s, so we change it to a 7, and we put a 1 in our 10s. 12 take away 6 is 6. 7 take away 1 is 6. Let's have a look. 93 take away 48. We can't do 8 for 3. We can't do 3 take away 8, so we must use one of our 10s. So we change it to an 8. We've taken 1 off, and we put it in the 1s column. 13 take away 8 is 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 8 take away 4, or 80 take away 40 is 4. So our answer is 45. 1 take away 5 we can't do. 91 take away 45, but with 1 take away 5 we can't do. So we need to change the 9 to an 8, or change 90 to 80. Move that 10 into the 10s column. The 1s column, sorry, the 1s column. 11 take away 5 equals 6. And then we've got 8 take away 4 equals 4. 46. Here we have to exchange twice. 373 take away 46. Now the first exchange we need to do is from our 10s column into our 1s column, because we cannot do 3 take away 6. So this 7, oh, we don't have to do 2, sorry, I lie. But this 7 has to be changed to a 6. And then we put the 1 in the 1s column. So now we've got 13 take away 6. 13 take away 6 is 7. And then 6 take away 4 is 2. And then it's effectively 3 take away 0. If we wanted to put a 0 there, we could. So 3 take away 0 would be 3. See if I got them all right. Fantastic. If you wanted to have used the abacus there, okay, we can use that to help us. You can use it. If you go into the lesson yourself, you can use that abacus to help you. Or you might have wanted to write them down yourself on paper. So, what's 537 take away 62? 7 take away 2 is 5. But we can't do 3 take away 6, so we have to use our hundreds. We have to take 100. You can see one of the blocks has gone off there, and they've moved it and made 10 more tens. Okay, crossed out obviously the 100 because we've taken 1 off. We can see we've only got 4, and we've moved the 1 into the tens column. So now we can take away the 6 tens from 13 to make 7, and 4 take away 0 would be 4, which is obviously 475. So this one, let's have a look. 854 take away 465. Watch this one carefully. We can't take 5 from 4, so we must borrow from our tens. We use one of our tens. We have 4 tens left over, and we make 14 ones. So we need to cross them out. 4 tens and 14 ones. 14 ones take away 5 ones would be 9. Now we need to do 6 tens from 4 tens. But we can't do 6 tens from 4 tens because we don't have enough tens. So we must make some tens from somewhere. We must exchange it at 100 to make 10 tens. So now we have 714 tens. And you can see here it gets a little bit fiddly, but we need to use these two numbers. We've crossed out the 5, we've got a 4, and now we've got an extra 1. So it's 14 tens, take away 6 tens, which is 8, and 7 hundreds, take away 4 hundreds is 3, 389. So let's see about these numbers. I can't do 872 take away 48. I can't do 8 from 2, so I need to borrow from the tens, change it to a 6, and move it to the ones. 12 take away 8 is 4. 6 take away 4 is 2. And then 8 take away nothing is 8. Have a look at this one. 316 take away 64. 6 take away 4 is 2. I can't do 1 take away 6. I can't do 1 take away 6. So I must use one of my hundreds. So I change my hundreds to 2. I put that 100 into my tens column. So now I've got 11 tens. Take away 6 tens would equal 5 tens. And then I've got 2. Okay, I don't have 3 anymore. I have 2. Take away 0, which will be 2. 538 take away 284. 8 take away 4 is 4. 3 take away 8 I can't do. So I need to change this 500s to 400s. I need to move that 100 tens to make 10 tens, or 13 tens. Take away 8 would be 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And then 4 take away 4 tens, take away 2 tens, not 5, cross that out. 4 tens take away 2 tens is 2 tens. Final one. 8 take away 3 is 5. Now I can't do 3 take away 5. I need to borrow from my 900s to make that 800s. And then the 100s can go in there to make 10 tens or 13 tens because we've already got 3. 13 take away 5 is 8. 8 take away 4 is 4. Okay. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Give your own work a go, please. You might need paper and pen to write it down. Okay. Give it a really good go, and I'll see you tomorrow.